Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how you can quickly create tracking journals on Amazon KDP using ChatGPT and Canva. No advanced design skill required. Let's jump right in. But before that, if you are new to Canva or don't have Canva Pro, don't worry, I have got a video that shows you how to get lifetime access to Canva Pro for free. Link in the video description or in the pinned comment. At first, let's start with generating some niche ideas using ChatGPT. If you are not sure what kind of tracking journal to create, ChatGPT is an amazing tool for brainstorming. Let's type a prompt like, give me some low competition niche ideas for tracking journals on Amazon KDP. ChatGPT will give you a list of potential niches that you can explore. For example, pet care trackers, hobby progress journals, or language learning trackers. These all are great starting points for your project. As per ChatGPT recommendation, you can head over to Amazon.com and search for that desired keyword and check out their competition amount. It's less than 1,000 or not, and see the example of the book that you are going to create. Then head over to Canva and do search with that keyword and pick a ready-made template that fits your niche. With just a few tweaks, changing text colors and adding your own touch, you are good to go. This takes a minute and you don't need Canva Pro, but if you want it, check out my previous video on getting Canva Pro for free. Go to Amazon KDP and start a new book project. Fill in the details like book title, descriptions, and keywords. If you are unsure about keywords, let me know in the comments. I can make a full video on how to find the best keywords for Amazon KDP listing. That's it. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. Want more on keyword research or listing optimization? Drop a comment, I'll make a video on that. Thanks for watching.